Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. My name is Rudy Soltes. I am the owner, the designated broker for Proformance Realty Concept, the home of the fee simple commission structure. What is the fee simple commission structure? It's very easy. Whatever you make on a commission that comes in $10,000, guess what you take home? $9,850. It's just a minus 150 bucks on any transaction. Do we have fees? No, there is no fees besides the fee simple, the 150 bucks. So what does that mean? So that means if you came to work for Proformance Realty, which I hope you do, guess what you get to keep? All the money. You don't pay anything to me ever until you get a commission check. Out of that commission check, how much do we take? $150. A lot of people have asked me, it's like, well, do you have a virtual office? You know, is it, do you work from your house and there's no office? Like, no. Just the opposite. We have a real office right here on, well, this one's on Surprise. It's Bell Road and, well, it's 15331 West Bell Road. And then we have another place we meet. We meet over on 83rd Avenue at the Office Evolution Suites there. And that address is 14050 North 83rd Avenue, suite number 290. So we have offices. We have places to go if you have to. Now, how many people ever go to the office to write contracts? I never did. You know, I was a top producing agent of a company of 600 agents. I never went to the office to write contracts. Now, you may, but you have a place. You can come right here. Anyway, but I'm talking to you. I want to talk to you today about, there's a company called Opendoor. They have the blue signs that you see all over the place where they don't need a realtor to go in. But anyway, one of the big things is they want to make it so that you can make cash offers on their behalf. Well, how does that work? Well, if you have a listing appointment, you can get the listing and then at the same time order a cash offer from Opendoor. So you're kind of being proactive because you know that they've probably already done it. So what we do is we get the listing, we go ahead and shoot an offer over to Opendoor, and they'll be able to give us a cash offer. So now we can compare their cash offer to what we believe the traditional sale will bring. Sometimes it's so close, they would be crazy not to have Opendoor buy the house and close it in a week and a half or 2 weeks, whatever it is. So anyway, but we have one last meeting coming up in February, because I'm going to be gone for a couple weeks on vacation to beautiful Daytona Beach to watch the Daytona 500 for the umpteenth time. Anyway, something I do every year is go see my dad. He lives right there. So anyway, so we're not going to have another meeting with Opendoor being present and explaining how you can make cash offers until after I get back. And it'll probably be more towards the end of February, maybe beginning of March. So we do have one last meeting. There are some spots left. The address, as I said, it's the office over on 83rd Avenue. The address is 14050 North 83rd Avenue, suite number 290. The meeting takes about 1 hour, and they have a representative, Eugene, who will come over, and he's going to walk you through the steps on what homes and properties you can make offers on, how high they'll go, you know, how new the homes have to be. They have to be built, I believe, after 1960. So, and things like that. They have a price range $500,000. In some cities it's $300,000. They won't buy properties that have over a half acre, but he goes over all that and kind of walks you through. You could make cash offers to your listing appointments. When you get the listing, then you can say, well, I'm going to go ahead and get this shot out right away, get an offer, and then they can compare it. And I always say, I almost feel like it's a fiduciary duty. Now, I know that might be stretching it a little bit. Oh, and just so you know, I have nothing to do with Opendoor. I'm just hosting meetings for them because I believe every agent should be able to make a cash offer. When I first got into this business, I remember, that's 17 years ago, but I remember there's people would say, you know, if I don't sell your house in 90 days, I'll buy it for cash. And I always wondered how they do that. Well, now I get it. And they have an investor or somebody who wants to buy these houses. And Opendoor, again, do I like Opendoor, OfferPad, Zillow, 72-hour, Homey, Purple Brick? It goes on and on. There's a lot of competition. So really, this is going to be like a tool for you so that you can also make those cash offers. I wish I would have had that opportunity back 17 years ago to say, hey, you know, I have a cash investor. Now it's pretty commonplace. So you really should know how to do this because they're going to get the offer from somebody. Okay. So anyway, so that meeting is February 5th, 10 a.m., 14050 North 83rd Avenue, Suite 290. I hope to see you there. I've been to a lot of these. It seems like each one I go to, I learn a little bit more. So that's about it. I just wanted to let you know, last chance until, another month or two out to attend this. I think all Opendoor or all agents should at least check it out. I was going to say, we've had about 6 to 8 classes already over the last 2 months, starting back, I think, in December. They're very well attended. Usually I have 30 to 40 people sign up, but we're realtors. How many show up? About 20 or so. So I start now overbooking them. The rooms will sit 30. So usually I'm trying to get 40 people on the list to attend. Again, it's in your best interest to go. My name's Rudy Soltez. Hope you guys have a great Saturday. This is how I'm spending my Saturday. And tomorrow it's supposed to have a big party at my house for the Super Bowl. Guess what? It's supposed to rain, so that's going to be a drag. Anyway, but we'll all just roll with it. I don't know who you're rooting for. It's going to be hopefully a great game. And hope to see you on Tuesday, February 5th at the Opendoor meeting. So you guys have a great weekend. Go out, have fun, close some deals, do whatever you do, have family time, have a few cervezas, whatever. I'll talk to you guys later on. If you have any questions about Proformance Realty, how that $150 flat fee works, you can give me a call. You can reply to this email. You can see me at the meeting on Tuesday. But it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. I'm kidding. Well, maybe I love sliced bread. Anyway, we're 60% cheaper than HomeSmart. We're way cheaper than what is the zero company, Realty One or whatever, just because it's a $150 flat fee. It doesn't change. If you sell $1 million house, guess how much you're going to pay? Let's see if you can do the math. $150. That's it. Flat fee. Everybody should be here. Save tons of money. I can do this because my overhead is like zero, even though I have nice offices and stuff like that, and it's like $1,200 a month. I used to pay $20,000 a month when I had 2 or 3 offices, 5,000 square feet. I had office managers. I had all these things. I'm also writing a book called The Rookie Broker. It's for new people who want to be a broker, and I could train you to do that. And I have almost the book almost done. Anyway, I'm rambling. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Call me. Come to the meeting. On the email you're going to get with this embedded in it, just put, yes, I'll be there. All right? You guys have a great weekend. See you later. Have a great Super Bowl. Bye.